I'm Deborah Durbin. I'm a chemistry PhD student at the Royal Military College of Canada. Today I'm going to be answering the question, can we recreate the ozone layer? This is a really good question because about 10 years ago it was a big problem that the ozone layer was getting destroyed by something called CFCs, which is a chemical that's found in things like freezers. It's what runs through to make the freezer cold. But when freezers were getting thrown out, the chemicals were getting released into the atmosphere and reacting with ozone to destroy it. Ozone's really important because it protects humans from the harmful rays of the sun. That's why I get to stand in this beautiful day outside and make this video without worrying that the sun's going to scorch me to death. I'm sorry, not a pleasant image. What ozone actually is it's a molecule made up of 3 oxygen atoms connected in a line. It's actually very similar to oxygen gas, which we breathe in every day, which is 2 oxygens connected in a line. Ozone is actually recreated naturally from the oxygen in the air. When you get several oxygen atoms reacting together, you can form multiple ozone molecules. For example, 3 groups of O2 makes 2 groups of O3. This process can be produced in a lab, but it actually happens naturally from the energy of the sun. The sun's rays come down to Earth. They are actually very, very powerful. That's why the sun is heating me up beautifully on this day. So the sun reacts with the oxygen in the air to turn it into ozone, which then goes to make our ozone layer. The ozone layer can recover itself reasonably quickly, as long as humans aren't releasing chemicals that destroy the ozone layer. After this became a big problem, the ozone layer being destroyed, humans put a lot of restrictions on compounds like CFCs that destroy the ozone layer. And so it's looking pretty healthy right now. So, I hope I put your mind at ease a bit about the ozone layer, and certainly if government regulations keep track on what chemicals we release into the air, hopefully we won't release anything else that destroys the ozone layer and we won't need to worry about it again. Enjoy the sunshine! Bye!